In the highlands of northern South Africa, where mountains rise like a fortress from the earth, a king once stood against empires. His name was Sekhukhune, and his kingdom refused to fall quietly. The Bapedi, also known as the Marota, were among the most powerful African societies of the 19th century. Their strength lay in centralized authority, military organization, and intimate knowledge of the land. Rich in minerals and strategically positioned, Bapedi territory became a target for expanding colonial forces. Sekhukhune was born around 1814, the son of Kgosi Sekhukhune I, a powerful ruler who expanded Bapedi influence through warfare and alliance. From an early age, Sekhukhune was shaped by conflict. Leadership he learned would demand strength, discipline, and resolve. By the mid-19th century, Boer settlers pushed steadily northward, claiming land and labor. The Bapedi kingdom stood in their way. Where others negotiated, Sekhukhune prepared for resistance. After the death of Sekhukhune, Sekhukhune ascended the throne. His rule marked a turning point. He centralized authority, strengthened military discipline, and turned the mountains into weapons of war. In 1876, Sekhukune's forces defeated Boer commandos in a decisive encounter. Armed with rifles acquired through trade and protected by terrain, the Bapedi proved nearly invincible. For the first time, a settler force was forced to retreat in humiliation. Sekhukhune understood geography as strategy. His strongholds were unreachable by cavalry, immune to siege and deadly to invaders. This was not chaos, it was organized resistance. Alarmed by Boer failure, the British Empire intervened. What followed was not negotiation but total war. Artillery replaced diplomacy. The mountains were bombarded, villages burned. By 1879, overwhelming force broke Bapedi resistance. Sekhukhune was captured and imprisoned. The kingdom fell, but submission never came. After his release, Sekhukhune returned to a fractured land. In 1882, he was assassinated, not on the battlefield, but through betrayal. His death marked the end of an era of open resistance. Sekhukhune became more than a king. He became a symbol of African defiance, self-determination, and the refusal to surrender sovereignty. Empires fell, borders changed, but the mountains remember, and so does history.